Here's a 2016 Audi Allroad. Unleash your adventurous side in this rugged yet sophisticated Allroad and surround yourself in premium luxury and cargo capability. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: external memory control, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, power sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, AM/FM satellite radio, leather bucket seats, four-wheel drive, and turbo inline four-cylinder engine. Car and Driver explains the cabin is as well turned out as you'd expect. A veritable festival of high-buck materials screwed together with the precision of, well, an Audi. Audi doesn't follow trends, it sets them. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
That new Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or Mazda is waiting for you at Morong, Falmouth. We're conveniently located at 187 US Route 1 in Falmouth, Maine.